Chetana Argavda. I'm from Bangalore. So I had taken up a Python course, and my trainer was Swati Mukundan. So I think I've completed my entire Python course, which was of 35 hours. I come from a mechanical background. Coming from a technical background, um, even though we learn certain basics in our colleges, I don't think so. It is in depth, but I think this course is very useful for me because we use it mainly in MATLABs. So the coding system is mainly in Python or JavaScript. So I think this course, the Python is very useful for me in future in MATLAB or any other coding in terms of mechanical background itself, because we do it in CFD, fluid mechanics, and MATLAB also. So I think having this course and having a trainer like Swati ma'am, I think it was wonderful journey till now. Uh, that's all.